Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide to the options put-call ratio on Barchart.com. Options flow can tell you a lot about where traders and institutions think the market is heading, but how do you make sense of all that data? In this video, we'll walk you through how to analyze options volume, open interest, and break down the put-call ratio. We'll even show you how to use these tools as an indicator on Barchart's interactive stock charts to identify potential price reversals before they happen. Let's dive in. As always, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. When looking for trading opportunities, you want to start by analyzing the most actively traded options contracts. This page on Barchart helps us see where the highest levels of trading activity are happening. We can filter the list by options volume, which tells us how many contracts have been traded during the session. Higher volume means more traders are participating in these contracts, which typically signals higher liquidity. But we don't want to just look at volume. We also need to compare it with open interest and other indicators for option traders. So let's dig a little deeper and take a look at the options overview history. This page allows us to track how options trading has evolved over the past few days, weeks, or months. This is important because instead of just looking at today's volume, we can see how sentiment has been shifting over time for key pieces of data we need to consider, including implied volatility, IV rank, and IV percentile, which tell us how the market is pricing in expected moves. The put-call ratio, a tool that helps traders gauge whether market sentiment is leaning bullish or bearish based on the amount of puts versus calls. And while options volume represents today's trading activity, open interest shows the total number of contracts still open from previous sessions. If a stock has high options volume but lower open interest, it might just be short-term speculations or traders closing positions. But if we see high volume turn into high open interest, it could signal strong institutional positioning. Now let's move on to understanding one of the most powerful sentiment indicators, the put-call ratio. This ratio tells us the number of puts versus call contracts. A put-call ratio above 1.0 means more puts are being traded than calls, indicating a bearish sentiment. A put-call ratio below 0.7 suggests that traders are favoring calls, which is generally bullish. Scrolling down, we can break this down even further, where we can see volume, open interest, and the put-call ratio for each expiration date. A high open interest reveals where traders have placed significant bets over time and which expiration date traders are currently holding, while high volume on a specific expiration may signal short-term positioning or hedging. Now, comparing expirations helps traders spot whether bearish or bullish sentiment is concentrated in short or long-term positions. By watching these shifts, traders can better anticipate potential price moves and volatility around key expiration dates. Now, let's tie everything together and compare the put-call ratio to real price action on a stock chart. Let's start by going to the interactive stock chart, and once you're there, you want to click here to add an indicator and type in put-call ratio. We can add open interest or volume and see how shifts in sentiment align with actual market movement. Now let's go to the full screen chart to see the bigger picture. If we notice that the put-call open interest ratio has been steadily increasing over several days while the stock prices have been rising, it could mean that traders are hedging against a potential drop. On the flip side, if a put-call ratio has been declining alongside price action, we might be seeing strong bullish momentum incoming. And that's it. Now that you know how to analyze the put-to-call, open interest, and volume ratios, you can start using this as a powerful tool to gauge market sentiment as a trader and investor. Whether it's spotting bullish trends, identifying extreme fear, or even catching potential reversals. This ratio can give traders and investors a deeper insight into what's happening behind the scenes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and tools on Barchart.com.